welcome to Guitar Lessons for 6-year-olds. By the end of this video, you'll be playing your first song on the guitar. All you need to do is to just follow along with me, and remember, you can pause and re-watch the video as often as you like.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge. Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Start in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Start in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
In today's lesson, we're going to have this little box here, and in guitar music we call this tabs or tablature, and this shows us where to place our fingers on the fretboard. You can also look and follow my fingers, but we've got this here as well. So these 6 lines represent the strings. So string 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And then the frets come in this way. So 1, 2 and 3. Now you're going to see some red dots on the strings, and these are where to place your fingers on the strings and frets. And when you see a blue string, that means we're just going to play an open string like this. If this video is helping you right now, consider subscribing to the channel and like the video so I know what videos you love. And I can post more about what you love, what videos you'd love to see. And if there's anyone you know who could benefit or learn from my videos, then please feel free to share them. Here's another top tip from David. Having large or small hands shouldn't stop you from learning to play the guitar. Over time, you will develop strength and stretch to play the notes clearly. I'm going to teach you a fun exercise now that you can do with a pen. This is going to really help you to get control over your fingers to play the guitar. So we're going to hold the pen like this. So the thumb is going to be on one side and then all 4 fingers on the other like this. Now the challenge is not to drop the pen. Okay, so let's do it. So we're going to lift off the first finger like this, like so. But the trick is to keep all the remaining fingers on the pen. So you want to do this about 10 times. Okay, once you've done that with what we call finger 1, then we're going to move to finger 2. Again, we're lifting off just the second finger and keeping the rest of the fingers on the pen. Great, then we're going to move to finger 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to move on to the little finger. This is probably the most trickiest for now. But let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Fantastic! You can go and show all your friends and family this little exercise that you've learned today on helping to gain control over the fingers. So that's David's top tip for this lesson. I'd love you to join the Guitar Start in 30 Days program, where it teaches you exactly what to learn over the next 30 days. From basic skills to playing your first 10 songs and giving you structure you need. You can try it out right now with a free 7-day trial, and the link is in the description of this video for a limited time. I just want to congratulate you on taking the class today. Now it's time to be confident about your new learning adventure. Master the basics and you will thrive.